Hello everyone, this is Tom from Every Step Calculus, everystepphysics.com. I designed the program that you load into your TI89 Titanium Calculator and solve your calculus tests or your physics tests. I do not design my programs to teach particularly either subject. All I was interested in, what I was interested in, and when I went to college as an engineer, electrical engineer major, of just passing the tests and getting out of there as quickly as possible and as efficiently as possible. Good luck in your classes.
This is an AP exam. And dealing with parametric curves and derivatives. AP means Advanced Placement Test. And since it's parametric, we choose that from my main menu. I'm already at Parametric Equations here. You can see here, save some time on the video. Choose that, and we have to decide whether we got 2 or 3 variables in the problems we want to do, and this is only X and Y on these first page here, so we're just going to use that. And I ask you only because these kind of problems are going to come up later, but if this problem is in this number 1 problem here and it's not, so we're going to choose that. And then we are going to add our variables. 5t plus 2. To press alpha first in my programs to do that. 5 times t plus 2. The next one is 3t alpha 3 times t. I always show you what you've entered in case you made a mistake. I say it's okay, so we're going to say okay. And we're going to choose, in all my physics problems and calculus, they ask for something. Here they're asking for the slope. So that's what you're going to choose here in this menu. Finds the program. And when you're finding the slope, you're dividing the y value by the x value. So here's what y was, and here's what x was. And we're going to differentiate it with respect to t. And when we do that, we get 3/5. Okay. So we got the first problem correct. Is there anything given for t? No, there's not. So we're going to choose. We can choose number 2 or scroll to it. And we're going to put in new variables. Again, there's no x times y equals 15 type of problem yet. No. And again, we're going to ask the variables. This is number 2 now. We have to press alpha t cubed minus t, and the square root is alpha 3 times t plus 1, 3 times t plus 1. Say it's okay. dy dx we're finding. We divide it out. We get the slope function. Yes, there is a t given, alpha 1. Correct, 3/8. Okay. Let's do problem 3. The x value is alpha t cubed plus t and the other one is t to the fourth plus 2 times t squared. Alpha t to the fourth plus 2 times t squared. Looks good. And what does it ask for? It's equation of the tangent line. Okay, so we're going to scroll down here to there's the equation to the tangent line. Again, y over x. Derivative of y is equal to this. Derivative of x equal to this. And we get the result there after we divide. And let's see. Yes, they're asking, they give you t, which is equal to 1. And so the slope is m equals 2. They're asking for the equation of the line, so we got the slope here now. 4 into 8 is 2. Y equals mx plus b is the equation. Well, we just found m equals 2. At t equals 1, then x t cubed plus t is equal to 2. At t equals 1, the y value, t to the fourth plus 2 times t squared, is equal to this. You mark this all in your paper, equal to 3. So the y value is 3, m is 2, x is 2, plus b. So we multiply those together, get 4, and put it over on the left side here. 3 minus 4, changing the sign, of course. So b equals a minus 1. So the equation to the tangent line is 2x minus 1. Here's 2x minus 1 here for the answer. Problem 4. The slope of the line tangent. Slope of the tangent line, okay? And they're into e to the t and t times e to the minus t. All right. Let's add that alpha e to the t, close off the parentheses, what is it? T times e to the minus t. Alpha t times e to the minus t e to the t and t times e to the minus t. Okay, that looks good. And we're at the, see if something matches. Here's slope of a tangent line here. Y over x equals the slope m. Here's y. Here's is t or x given, yes. X is given. X is equal to 3. Alpha 3. Okay. First of all, we x equals e to the t. At x equals 3, we enter the variables here and solve, and we get to log of 3. So this equals 3 of e to the t is equal to log of 3. You could have done that, right? We divide out, we get the slope here. And at t equals log of 3, we put that into the slope function we just found. Turns out to be minus 0.01096. And here they have number d here, minus 0.01. So we got that correct too, I guess, huh? Yeah. Let's go new variables. No, that's not it. Let's see. No. Problem 5. Alpha t squared plus 1 t squared plus 1 and alpha t cubed. Alpha t cubed. Looks good. And when you see this, what they're asking here with the d squared y over the dx squared, they're asking for the second derivative. We can go r double prime t here. But we also have exactly what they have. Press enter. Y over x again. We divide it out. 3 times t over 2. That's the first derivative. Here's the second. When you put those and divide them again to get the second derivative, equals 3 over 4t, which is here a. Let's do problem 6. We're at 2 variables, and now we say yes to this because we got x times y equals 10. So I'm going to say yes, number 1. And we're going to enter the function alpha x times that was y x times y equals 10. And then they give you dy dt, which is 3 alpha 3 they give you x value of 2. These are all pathetic setup problems, you know, in calculus, worked out by professors that dream this stuff up. For 2. So we're going to solve for y. X times y equals 10. X equals 2. So we substitute. We come up with y equals 5, okay? Remember that, y equals 5. Differentiate both sides of the equation with respect to t. dt x times y equals d over dt 10. Okay, we're going to do that. We come up with here and we simplify y times dx dt plus x dy dt equals 0. And this, I remind you that this is what we found already. So we substitute 5 dx dt plus 2 times 3 equals 0. And work out the calculations, etc. And we have dx dt is equal to minus 6 fifths. And equals minus 1.2. You never know what they're going to ask you to solve and stuff, so I generally program as much as I can in there to catch any tricks that they might have. Problem 7. Enter the variables x, alpha, e to the 2 times t, e to the 2 times t, and y is sine of 2t, alpha, sine of 2 times t, we're asking for dy dx again, so let's scroll down here to that. Y over x, and when we divide it out we get e to the minus times t times cosine of 2t. You notice here's the trick that they pull on you here. Notice when the exponent is negative you can put it in the denominator, okay? So they have cosine of 2t divided by e to the 2t. And that's the answer that they have here, number E, okay? Pretty neat, huh? EveryStepCalculus.com. Go to my site, buy my programs, and pass calculus. Good luck. I also help you as much as I can. You can contact me, send me tests, quizzes, whatever. I'll work them out for you and show you what my programs can do. Good luck in your classes. Have a good one.